Okay friends, in this video we're learning how to set default upload quality to HD quality in WhatsApp. Okay, open your WhatsApp, then go to three dots, then select settings from there and select storage and data. Open that, then you can see the option of uh, media upload quality. Now it is on standard quality. Open that, then select HD quality, then click save. So your default upload quality is set to HD. So whenever you send some videos or photos to your other people is automatically selected to HD. You can simply tap at the top HD icon to change HD version or standard version. Okay, but actually it is very useful whenever you send with HD quality, the picture less compressed, so they have much more quality. But if you are using a normal internet mobile data without 4G or 5G, you can set it to standard for better transferring. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.